Hendrik Goltzius or Hendrik Goltzius, was born January or February 1558, died January 1, 1617. He was a German-born Dutch printmaker, draftsman, and painter. He was the leading Dutch engraver of the early Baroque period, or Northern Mannerism, lauded for his sophisticated technique, technical mastership and exuberance of his compositions. According to WAA Hyatt Mayor, Goltzius was the last professional engraver who drew with the authority of a good painter and the last who invented many pictures for others to copy. In the middle of his life he also began to produce paintings. Goltzius brought to an unprecedented level the use of the swelling line, where the burin is manipulated to make lines thicker or thinner to create a tonal effect from a distance. He also was a pioneer of dot and lozenge technique, where dots are placed in the middle of lozenge-shaped spaces created by cross-hatching to further refine tonal shading.